Hey there, I'm going to show you how to put together the Korbanth Malak saber. So when you first get it, this little piece is probably already on. This just screws on the back. There's your speaker if you install it. Then you can take this part and it goes on just like this. Now you have this Korbanth knob and you have a screw. This will plug into here, and this just goes on the back. Like this. Now you have this plate, which on one side there's a step, and it can go in really, it doesn't matter which direction you put it in. You can put it in this way, or you can turn it upside down. But the higher part faces outward, the smooth part faces inward. You can take these little buttons, and they can be pushed in and held in pretty much by force. You can just push them in. Probably if you're installing it, you'll glue the buttons in. Just have to be very careful not to get the glue on anything. So now that you've put these buttons in, they just can go in just like this. They just kind of force fit down inside. I mean, I don't have it down all the way, but you would just push it with your fingers down a little further. And that's all that does, it just stays in just like that. Now this piece right here it has no purpose at all other than just for design. So this would go in this little hole right here. I think the maker of this saber told me that if you do install this, this acts as a chassis retention screw, so it holds the chassis in. But that's all you have to do there. Now the last step is you have the blade retention screw that it goes in right here. Just pop it in. Now you want it, when it goes all the way in, you can see that it's what holds the blade in. So, and by the way, this blade plug, you'll see there's a hole right there that lines up with this hole. So when you push this in, if I took this blade retention screw out and I pushed this in, these two holes would line up. But you really don't have to line it up. It doesn't matter, because if you back this out and you put this in and then you put this in, it'll be tight enough where it holds the blade plug in place. And then you push this down over here. Now, if you go to put this on and it gets stuck right here, it means that your blade retention screw is not in all the way. So a lot of times what you do is if it's an installed saber, you probably back this out, put the blade in, tighten it, and then you push this down over it. So that gives you some understanding of how it functions. Fairly simple. Nothing, no tricks at all here. Like I said, blade plug holds in with the blade retention screw as well. Have fun.